The Samsung ecosystem grows stronger every year as we add newer, more powerful devices. But an ecosystem is only as powerful as the connections among its devices, which is why we're thrilled to tell you about another incredible breakthrough, a network that will soon change mobile connectivity as we know it. To tell you more, please welcome back Drew Blackard.
Thanks, Selena. We've talked a lot today about the future. A future where our smartphones are more than just smartphones. A future led by a generation that expects more from their technology. A future where all our devices, including the ones we wear, are seamlessly connected. But to make that future possible, we need one more essential element: a next-generation mobile network. That network, and the key to our connected future, is 5G. Now, back in the day, first-generation networks basically let us make phone calls without the cords. Second-generation networks introduced mobile data, and that ushered in an era of texting. It changed the way we communicate. 3G made connecting to the internet on the go a reality. It made mobile email and web browsing the new norm. And over the last decade, 4G paved the way for a new app economy, the rise of social media, and streaming music and video. Each network evolution has been accompanied by a mobile revolution. And 5G represents our biggest step forward yet. First off, it'll be faster than any network we've ever seen, roughly 20 times faster than 4G. Second, it'll be capable of just a millisecond of latency, which is the amount of time between an action and a reaction. And that opens the door for some incredible new possibilities, like remote surgery, cloud gaming, and autonomous driving. And third, it can bring on as many as 1 million devices per square kilometer. That's 10 times more than what's possible today. Soon, network congestion will be a thing of the past. 5G will change everything. It'll enable us to connect and communicate in entirely new ways. It'll empower creators and innovators to bring to life ideas we never thought possible. And it's true, it won't happen overnight. It'll be step by step. And the whole tech industry has been laying the groundwork for 5G for decades. In Samsung, we've helped lead the way. That's because we're uniquely positioned to provide end-to-end solutions for 5G. We make the systems that are bringing 5G networks online, and of course, we make the devices that connect you to those networks, whether they're in your home, your office, or your pocket. And today, we're putting the power of this incredible network in the palm of your hand. It's my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy S10 5G. Pretty amazing, right? Now, normally when you transition from one network generation to the next, you get a device that's a little bigger and a little bulkier. But as you just saw, the S10 5G is as sleek and stunning as ever. And this beautiful smartphone doesn't just give you access to blazing speeds and unparalleled connectivity, it also comes with the best of the best technology so you can get the absolute most out of this revolutionary new network. The S10 5G has hyper-fast speeds that will forever change the way we consume content. You'll be able to download and watch movies at phenomenal speeds and stream games on demand via the cloud. All your favorite content will be accessible in an instant. And for that reason, we gave this device a big screen and a long-lasting battery. The S10 5G comes with a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, as well as a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. That's the biggest screen and the biggest battery ever on a Galaxy S device. And your device will charge quickly too, because it comes with a special 25-watt charger. As network speeds get faster, we'll be able to use our phones to do things we can hardly imagine today. To power these experiences, we outfitted S10 5G with a cutting-edge camera system that includes a powerful new 3D depth sensing camera. For starters, this camera allows you to take even more amazing photos and videos. For example, you can add things like background blur to your videos in real time. It maps and measures the world around you in incredible detail and accuracy. And for augmented reality, this is going to be a game changer. With faster network speeds and 3D spatial mapping, you'll be able to interact with the world around you in real time, and it'll feel more real. The S10 5G charts the path for the next 10 years of Galaxy. It's designed for a hyper-connected world where everything and everyone is right there at your fingertips. We are excited for you to experience the magic of 5G, and this is just the beginning. In the coming years, we're going to evolve from blazing speeds, uninterrupted connectivity, and true mobility to truly connected living,